brother.
حبيبي.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. You stay here, open your wings. And please close your eyes and you breathe in through the nose and a long breathing
Indo.
out.
Come.
Let go all the other things. They don't help you, they don't support you.
Oh, video man. I don't want to come into the camera.
It's
Yeah.
okay, bro. Come.
But you could take the camera and make the video.
Or you can take the camera, yeah?
Yeah? You do it.
I'm not good for that.
Yeah?
Yeah,
It's still working. So please. Yeah?
Yeah.
That way, yeah? So first round is the cleansing round. And we cut all the old energies. We need more smoke
Maybe
to
today
clean
start
your
raining.
aura. So you get many good aura points. So the second round is to protect you. You imagine a huge golden ball for you. Thank you, brother, to be here. Thank you for your spirit, your clear mind. Thank you for your big open heart. Thank you for your healing creative hands, for your strong man energy, your connecting with your own and with your higher self. There will be blessed all your steps, everything what you do, and everything what you decide. There will be love, light, health and happiness inside you and around you. Thank you, brother.
حبيبي. Thank you so much, bro.
Thank you.
It was so nice.
I believe you
I
can
love
fly.
it.
Yeah?
I love it. It's so awesome.
It's good smell, yeah?
I like it.
And those are organic herbs.
حبيبي.
هذا بيدرو واحد من الاصدقاء ديالي في الخدمه. من نهار حطيت هذا بيدرو واحد من الاصدقاء ديالي في الخدمه، وديجا زار المغرب وكان في مرزوقه ودوز واحد الوقيته زوينه وعجبو الحال. ومن نهار حطيت رجلي في هذه الخدمه وهو ديما معايا زوين، عزيز عليا وعزيز عليه حتى انا. ووقت ما شافني تيقول لي يا ماما اجيت، كيدير لك الجلسات ديال الريلاكسين، كيدير لك بخور، وبخور راه عربيه، بخور واعر. هو كيبخل الاوتيل كامل، كيدور كيخلي ريحه زوينه في الاوتيل، وكيدير الجلسه ديال الاسترخاء مع الناس. يعني كيخلي واحد الطاقه، يعني يهدا وما عمرك تشوف هذا السيد مقلق، ما عمرك تشوفه كيهضر بشويه المهم كيتعامل زوين وعنده واحد التعامل ما شاء الله وصافي. المهم تحياتي لكم الاخوان، نتمنى انكم تبارطاجيو الفيديو. السلام عليكم.